silky blanket, soft as moonlight, peaceful mind as the raindrops play. In this cozy sanctuary I wish you'd stay. But all the clouds won't linger, they always fade. I reach for warmth in this lovely lake. If I could turn back time, oh how I'd rewind. Relive that sweetness in our hearts intertwined. Cuddled close in the chill, your breath like a song. We wrapped in each other where we both belong. With dreams shared like secrets, whispered so low, like tomorrow's a promise that we'll never know. Yet all the clouds won't linger, they always fade. I reach for warmth in this lovely lake. If I could turn back time, oh how I'd rewind. Relive that sweetness in our hearts intertwined. But my heart needs healing, it's breaking in pieces, caught in the memories as time never ceases. With shadows you left me deep down in the dark, clutching the echoes of a once glowing spark. Rainy morning, I lay with a sigh, hoping for your return, but I keep asking why. Yet I'll fold up the blanket, let past whispers go, stepping out from the shadows towards the morning glow. For all the clouds won't linger, the sun will break. I'll find my own warmth for my own heart's sake. If I could turn back time, I've made my choice clear. Thank you for the pain, now I'm shedding no tears. Brightest morning, I rise from my bed, fold the silky blanket, let the past gently shed, hoping for new days where happiness may steer, with a heart that's rebuilt, free of doubt